This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Matar Paneer, a delightful and popular North Indian curry. We'll begin by understanding the core components of this dish, which combines tender green peas and soft Indian cottage cheese in a rich, aromatic tomato-based gravy. Our journey will cover preparing the ingredients, crafting the flavorful gravy, and finally, bringing everything together for a satisfying meal. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh paneer, cut into 1-inch cubes, and 1 cup of fresh or frozen green peas. For the gravy, prepare 2 large, ripe tomatoes pureed and 1 large onion, finely chopped. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, and a selection of aromatic spices like turmeric, coriander powder, and garam masala to build that authentic flavor. Now let's craft the heart of our dish, the gravy. In a heavy-bottomed pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Sauté the chopped onions until they turn golden brown, then add the ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until fragrant. Next, stir in the tomato puree and your chosen spices. Cook this mixture on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil begins to separate from the masala, indicating it's well cooked. Finally, it's time to bring our Matar Paneer to perfection. Add the green peas to the simmering gravy and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are tender. Gently fold in the paneer cubes and let the curry simmer for just another 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the paneer to absorb the wonderful flavors. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped coriander. Serve your delicious, homemade Matar Paneer hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.